I know is just go fill out the application below. It's in the description. And just got to Redondo Beach, y'all. It is such a perfect day out. It's about like 80 degrees. We got to the pier. This is Redondo Beach Pier, and it is during the school season, so it's not packed. And it's so nice out. We're just walking around. We're gonna grab some lunch and head to the beach. Michael's gonna be really excited because Grandma and Aunt Shannon are in town.
I don't have a dog, so this is the best I got.
Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I loved the OC back in high school and was obsessed with watching it. This right here is where they used to film in the bar. This whole pier is actually where they used to film the OC at, and I just found that out. So now I'm totally geeking. Perfect weather out. Oh my gosh, could not have asked for a better day. And it's Friday, so it's not crowded at all. And just enjoying the moment here with Grandma and Aunt Shannon. Michael, going to play in the water with Grandma. Dragging Grandma. Michael does enjoy long walks on the beach with Grandma. His favorite thing is to take a shovel and stick it in his Michael just had ice cream for the first time. And we are in El Torito in Redondo. This is our view. So nice. Overlooking the beach. And Michael's just been the cutest super baby the whole time. Yes. Look at that handsome face. Look at that handsome face. Good morning, y'all. I am trying something new this morning. I thought I'd bring y'all along with me. I'm going to try and make a coffee protein frappe. Frothy deliciousness drink. I wanted a protein shake and I also wanted coffee. I don't want to be chugging two things at the same time. So we're going to see how this goes. So I just brewed some hazelnut Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Well, everything I'm going to put in it is MCT oil, some organic butter, peanut butter, agave nectar, almond breeze, unsweetened almond milk, and chocolate peanut butter protein, as well as coffee. Oh, I did good. Well, it's official, y'all. This drink is a success. Cheers. This is a very exciting moment. I have had this horseshoe that goes to my light to film in my brand new camera for what, 3 weeks now, 2 weeks, and it's been driving me bonkers. I finally got it out. I'm so excited. Yes, that is a win, and it's Tuesday. Oh yeah, mom dance. Oh, where are you going? So Michael likes to hide in places now. More specifically under our sink. I keep meaning to baby-proof it. By the way, reality of stay-at-home mom, or of having a reality of having, yay! This is the reality of having a 1-year-old. We haven't used this since he was probably like 8 months old, and now he just wants nothing but to play with that pretty much. He's also teething and had his shots yesterday. But we're having a good time. Just hanging out. Yes, the Bubbles. And Cowboy's necklace. Yeah, Michael. What's going on, y'all? I am so excited to be jumping on here today and just give y'all a quick update on what's been going on behind the scenes of life. Since this is my vlog, and I'll be completely real with y'all. I always am, but I haven't been vlogging as much. Side note, Michael broke our screen, and I still need to put a word on it, but I just think it's a bug. I am really, really excited to be bringing a huge announcement. I know I just gave another announcement, but that was like the prelude to this announcement, which is I am now accepting applications for expecting moms. This is my she's going places, and I think we should go places with me. Just kidding. So if you're a mom and you're expecting, I'm going to have a link in my description below. It's going to have in all caps, application for expecting moms. Very simple. So if you're an expecting mom and you would like to know more about what I'm launching for expecting moms, go to that link below, fill out the application, and fill it out.